Most people think you need a computer science degree or coding skills to land a high-paying IT job. But there is one crucial tech role that requires zero coding, completely running on communication and problem solving. Here is what a business analyst actually does every single day. Ask 5 different people what a business analyst does, and you will get 5 completely different answers. Some think it requires heavy coding, while others think it's just sitting in useless meetings all day. Neither is true. If you are trying to break into this career, the confusion stops right now. Think of a business analyst as a translator or a bridge. On one side, you have the business stakeholders who know what problem they want to solve, but don't know how to build it. On the other side, you have the software developers who know how to build things, but don't understand the business goals. The BA steps in to translate business needs into technical reality. At its absolute core, a business analyst is a professional who understands business problems, identifies new opportunities, and recommends software or process solutions that deliver real value to the company. You aren't there to write code, you are there to solve puzzles. The daily breakdown starts with requirements elicitation. This is a fancy way of saying you talk to people. You conduct interviews, run workshops, and host jazz sessions to dig deep into what the business users truly need, not just what they say they want. Next comes the paperwork. A BA translates those discussions into clear documents. You will write the BRD, which highlights the business goals, and the FRD, which details exactly how the software should behave. These documents act as the ultimate blueprint for the development team. Once the blueprints are written, you don't just hand them over and walk away. You sit down with the developers and testers, walk them through the requirements, answer their questions, and clear up any confusion before a single line of code is written. Before the software goes live to users, the BA helps with testing. You will review test cases and lead user acceptance testing or UAT. This is where you work with the business users to test the software and confirm it actually solves the original problem. Many beginners make 3 critical mistakes. They assume they know what the user wants instead of asking clarifying questions. They don't involve the development team early enough, and they fill their documents with confusing jargon. Avoid these to stand out immediately. To succeed quickly, remember the 80-20 rule. Listen 80% of the time and talk 20% of the time. Master standard industry tools like Jira and Confluence, and try to learn the basics of a specific industry domain like banking or healthcare. Transitioning into a business analyst career does not require a coding background, but it does require the right roadmap. Subscribe to Career Growth Lab for simple, jargon-free weekly guides. Ready to start practicing? Head over to baycareers.in right now to download free sample BRDs, FRDs, and interview preparation templates. See you there.